Good morning, this is Jack from Chartered Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for crypto on the morning of Monday, the 29th of September. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to show my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing learn from transfer to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, okay, let's have a look at Bitcoin first. Now, Bitcoin, we're still testing the weekly middle band. We saw a break below it late last week, and then we recovered back above it, but we're still very much on it. So I'm still thinking we could go down from here in terms of where the price is. We've currently got that at 111,625. That's with the 50 DMA at 113,704, 114,025. If we're going to open up and retest the high, then I'm leaning towards seeing some. Well, we would need to break and convert those. So in the meantime, there's a possibility we might go lower. Is there a reason to think we might go lower? Yes, I don't really have a decent bull flag pattern here yet. We've made the buy signal targets across the board on everything now, the full targets. Do we have any negative divergence? Yes, we do. And I'm going to mark that in on the charts before I post them. This is a possible RSI 14 sell signal brewing. And we have got targets below. We've got an open double top target in the 99 to 100K area. I've put in a couple of the more likely bull flag support trend lines, and we haven't reached any of those yet. And I'm still thinking we might. Now, that was one reason, although I don't think they're that closely correlated, but that was one reason I was posting possible head and shoulder patterns on the indices this morning. But these are quite nice setups, and I'm still thinking we might reach them. And we've got some nice targets below. On Solana, we didn't quite reach the obvious support here, which was in the 180 area. I've got the 50-week moving average at 182.22. I've got the weekly middle band at 182.43. That's the obvious target area. So in terms of the daily charts, we've got the daily middle band at 225.97. We're obviously well below it still. And we've been testing and failing so far at the 50 DMA, which is 209.11. Do we have any pattern setups lower? No, we don't. We had a nice looking level top at the highs. That had a target in the 205 to 210 area, and that has made target. This kind of looks like a bear flag forming though, and the obvious support area I'm looking at is 182, and we've not reached it yet. Looking at Ethereum, more of the same. I've got the weekly middle band at 35.52. I've got a head and shoulder target in the 3500 area. That is a pretty attractive looking target area. Now we could have a possible larger double top here, which is broken down. Not really paying any attention to that. I think it's mainly about the head and shoulders and the big support in the 3500 area. So, but is there a case for that getting down there? Yes, and I don't have a decent flag where we are now, although this could be it. Crypto could go up directly from here, but I think here, unlike equities, I'm really favoring another leg down. And at the moment, we've not really seen anything to suggest that we're not going to see that. In terms of the daily middle band, obviously, we're nowhere near it on Ethereum either. We've not seen anything here suggesting that we're about to head for the all-time highs. And I would note, if we do see another leg down, we've also got a decent chance of getting some nice RSI 5 buy signals. We could have one here on Ethereum. On Solana, we could have a very nice looking RSI 5 buy signal as well if we retest that low. And on Bitcoin, we've actually already got an RSI 5 buy signal which is fixed. But we could get it on the other two as well, and we could tick some boxes. And I'm still thinking we may well do that. So we shall see. All right, let's have a quick look at questions. Bear with me a moment. In that case, yep, no questions. In that case, that's a wrap. I'll have the pivots up on the crypto post this morning, which will probably be a little while. I spent some time writing the post, which has delayed me a little. All right, so everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning.